Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Menteri Rangba jong kejela Konrad Sangma hakasngi palai jong ke live waitrik nai leber arajar arpoar ulapen pau ke jing Kmen baka jing angno jong ke Sorkar bat ke sengking atiar Hnlc National Liberation Council pan poi ke jing Ïakren kala Sdang ban Wandur suki pasuki lengba ke Jingthmu jong ke Sorkar bat ke Hnlc la ki jong kiksiang Kumban sepenken mau biang hang ni bah ke Sorkar kala thung ya u officer IAS bala song thai uba Peter S Dakar ban long kumuk siang jong ke Sorkar kad baka seng Hnlc kala thung siang do president jong ke seng Hnlc National Youth Front uba sadon belah haga jing Ïakren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri Rangba ulaong bayamenta kalenti syaka jing Ïakren Ïasuk kampat Sdang Hnlc ke Sorkar jela kan sanang bud din ba kani ke jing Ïakren kan sa Sdang no kham kloi tat anda ke Sorkar pedeng kala aiktin.
Our discussions are on, and the interlocutor has started the process of calling different individuals, and therefore there has been a communication for people who will be in touch and will be contact people to coordinate the discussions. So those discussions at level has started. Once the entire atmosphere and the coordination and discussions, preliminary discussions are taking place, only then will the official discussions start at a later stage. So without going into details of what's being discussed and how it's happening, which I feel is not correct, it will jeopardize the overall discussion, and it's not correct for me to speak about it. Because I mean, as I said, I'm not involved in the entire day-to-day discussions that are there or whenever they meet. But the process, important part is the process has started, and the process will continue. And we hope that step by step it will be taken up to the next level. So the interlocutor will be in a better position to say it. But as far as the government is concerned, we're happy to see that there's a positive step from both sides, and the interlocutor as well as from the Hnlc side, that there are steps being taken to take the discussion and the talks forward.